My PSA went up from 5.2 to 7.9 2 months after starting testosterone. Is this common?
It is common to have a mild spike in PSA post-therapy initiation. PSA, again, just like hematocrit, is extremely transient. I tell all patients to refrain from all sexual activity for 72 hours prior to a blood draw. Also refrain from perineal pressure. If you ride a stationary bike, motorcycle, anything of the sort, anything that puts pressure on the perineum will transiently increase PSA values. With that said, slight increases are expected. If your PSA was a 5 prior to starting, you should have had urology clearance prior. So maybe you should go and get a prostate exam or a DRE. Please do not let them biopsy you. They're very quick to do that immediately. They'll have a PSA reading that's high. They'll biopsy you instantly. Once you poke a hole in the prostate, it is not the same. You're going to suffer severe and often irreversible sexual dysfunctions. So don't go poking holes in your prostate unless it's absolutely mandatory. Get all of the digital scanning done prior and fully rule out any risks of cancer. And if they're unable to, then last resort should be a biopsy. But I've literally had guys go from a PSA of 2 to 6, and they call me and they say, oh, I have a biopsy scheduled next week. These urologists, forgive me for saying, some of them are butchers. I realize they only get paid when they hold a knife, but stop cutting up guys' prostates for the sake of diagnostics when there's so many steps that you're skipping, and you're relegating these guys to severe trauma because they end up in my office with really, really bad and often irreversible ED, and then they have to be on intracavernosal injections for the rest of their life. Mm-hmm. So please do not run out there and get a biopsy unless absolutely necessary. And again, 2-point increase, that's not a drastic velocity change. I would say refrain from all of the activities I mentioned earlier for 3 or 4 days. Go back and have a redraw and see how it trends. It may come right back down to baseline.